Boiled egg diet, does it work for weight loss? The boiled egg diet is a popular fad diet that promises rapid weight loss. As its name implies, the diet includes several servings of hard-boiled eggs per day, as well as other lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and low-carb fruits. Although some appreciate the plan's structured style and claim that it can initiate weight loss, it has also been criticized for being too restrictive, difficult to follow, and ineffective. What is a boiled egg diet? The boiled egg diet is a weight loss program that requires you to cook at least one meal each day around traditional breakfast staples. It is a low-calorie, low-carbohydrate, high-protein plan designed to help you lose weight without losing muscle. There are different versions of the egg diet, including the egg diet only. Before going into video, make sure subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. So let's get started. In all forms of planning, you will eat 3 times a day with no snacks and only water or zero-calorie drinks. How to follow a boiled egg diet. The boiled egg diet allows specific foods for each meal of the day, and no snacks are allowed in between. For breakfast, you should consume at least 2 eggs, along with serving a non-starchy vegetable such as tomato or asparagus, as well as a low-carb fruit, such as grapes. Lunch and dinner should consist of a small serving of non-starchy vegetables and lean protein, such as either eggs or chicken or fish. Although exercise is not required as part of the plan, light physical activities such as cycling, aerobics or walking at speed are encouraged to produce maximum results. Keep in mind that the diet has to be followed only for a few weeks at a time. After that, the transition period is recommended to help you get back into a regular diet. Foods to eat: eggs, egg yolk and white. Non-starchy vegetables: spinach, kale, arugula, broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, collard greens, and tomatoes. Fats and oils: coconut oil, butter, and mayonnaise, all in small amounts. Foods to avoid. Here are some foods to avoid in the boiled egg diet. Starchy vegetables: potatoes, sweet potatoes, legumes, corn, and peas. Processed foods: bacon, convenience food, fast food, chips, pretzels, cookies, and sweets. High-carb fruits: bananas, pineapples, mangoes, and dried fruits. Sugar-sweetened drinks: soda, juice, sweet tea, and sports drinks. Grains: bread, pasta, quinoa, couscous, farro, buckwheat, and barley. Can it help you lose weight? The boiled egg diet consists mostly of low-calorie ingredients such as eggs, non-starchy vegetables, and low-carb fruits. Thus, following a diet can cause you to lose calories, which means you consume fewer calories throughout the day. Although many factors affect weight management, a calorie deficit is necessary for weight loss. The diet of boiled eggs is also low in carbs, which may further increase weight loss. In fact, a review of 12 studies found that after a short-term, low-carb diet significantly increased weight and improved several other risk factors for heart disease, such as blood pressure. Benefit: the boiled egg diet encourages many healthy foods, including lean proteins, eggs, fruits, and vegetables, which are rich in many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are important for health. Unhealthy ingredients like sugar-sweetened beverages and processed foods are also limited in the diet. In addition to being high in calories, carbs, and added sugar, studies suggest that sugar-sweetened beverages may contribute to issues such as cavities, high blood pressure, inflammation, and insulin resistance. Disadvantages: the boiled egg diet is highly restrictive and offers little variety, allowing only a handful of specific foods and eliminating whole food groups. This can not only make the diet difficult to follow for long periods of time, but can also make it challenging to meet your nutritional needs. Because only certain foods are allowed, the risk of nutrient deficiency may increase, especially if you follow a diet for a long time. For example, whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while starchy vegetables such as potatoes are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Neither of these food groups is allowed on the diet. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.